Hey everyone, it's Jared with Coast River Outlaws, and I have a super important update to give you. You are looking at me standing in the brand new Coast River Outlaws shop here in Arlington, Texas. I seriously can't thank enough our friends, our family, and you guys, our followers, for getting us into this position. Your support has been immense over the past couple of years. You know, we've tried this in the past. We've tried this a couple times last year, and just unfortunately luck has not been on our side. But now, finally, it is. So why did we decide to get our own shop now? Well, if you go back to the very beginning of Coast River Outlaws, I think I have my buddy's boat at my house in my garage, and we were doing a cable swap and resealing the pump. And we decided to film it. And all of you guys literally loved it. And from there, it just snowballed into what we are now. Again, can't thank you guys enough for that. So some of the stuff that we've been able to do and we are going to bring back into the new shop is service and repair work for your hot boats, right? Unfortunately, our shop is not massive, so you got to leave the MTI and the skater at home. But if you have a jet boat, if you have a V-drive, if you have a 21 Daytona with an outboard or an IO, we can help you and we can work on that stuff. Some of the cool things that we can do and have done in the past: rigging, wiring, plumbing, engine work, pump work, V-drive stuff. I mean, you name it, we can help you with all those things. Another feather that we're adding into the cap is new boat sales and rigging, right? If you're in the market for a brand new hull and you want us to rig it and help you with it, we can do that. We can help you with the concept, the customization, the parts that you want to put in it, and get you on the water. And the best thing in all of this is that we can finally film every inch of what we do, right? If you've got a boat or you're interested in a boat, you can probably see your boat on our YouTube page and all over social media as we're working on it. One of the best feelings that I personally get is watching the owner drive his boat after we filmed a whole bunch of repair work on it or service work on it or rigged it, and seeing him smile ear to ear, almost quite literally, with excitement and love for his new toy. And we want to do more of that this year in the industry. And what's crazy also to think about, this just popped into my head, is that we haven't even made this public yet. There's very few people that know about this shop. And we are already, I think, like 2 months backed out with work. It's incredible the support that you guys are giving us. I can't thank you enough for it. So if you've got a hot boat, if you want a new boat, and you're looking for someone that can help you, whether you're in Texas, the surrounding states, or anywhere from the east to the west coast, please call me, because I would love the opportunity to work on your stuff and get you in the water, and I'm in the passenger seat filming you. So thanks for the support, and hopefully we see you in our shop soon.